C4 Corvette time here. Unique, Specialty, and Classics. 1990 model year. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed mileage at a little over 66,000. Of course, powered by a 5.7 liter TPI engine in 1990. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. That V8 is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Go ahead and look at the nose cone or front fascia. Now you got to remember, this car is 32 years old, and as far as paint, it's going to have some imperfections in it. It has been driven, but does it still show well? Absolutely. Fun one to get in, turn the key, go, drive it, have some fun. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see every angle of the car, the interior, the undersides, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Stock salad shooter style wheel. I'll also have pictures of the top in and top out on our website. At the end of this video, I think I'm going to put that top in because I want to show you how it fits. I'm going to put the windows up. I want you to be able to see that so you can see the moldings and how everything fits. We'll do that at the end of the video. I know a lot of people that are into C4s and like them. It's something you're going to want to see. Black interior shows well. I'll show you a little bit of wear over on the driver's side. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I did notice the power antenna didn't work earlier. The radio works fine. Does come in, has an aftermarket radio, but that one does work. Now there's a couple light, I don't know if I can get them to show up, some real light, just kind of scratching back there, or one of them. Kind of wanted to point that out. Just trying to think of anything else I noticed that was major. I mean, yeah, you have your little small typical wear and tear items. A little bit of a scuff here, but again, overall, considering the year, condition of the car, fun one to get in and drive it. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Of course, nicely equipped. It's gonna have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Now, as far as the seat goes, I want to point this out. We have a little bit of cracking here, that side seat bolster area. And other than that, yeah, you're going to see your wrinkles in that. That's the natural hide, so it's going to wrinkle like a leather shoe will. But has, you know, worn very nicely. Again, considering the age, just that little bit of cracking. Center armrest, not cracked, good condition. Center console with that automatic shifter on the floor. Of course, tilt and cruise. And let's go ahead and fire this up, check out the exact miles. I did notice it did have the inflation restraint light on over there. Wanted to mention that. 68,809. 66,809. And that's ironic. Little Sammy Hagar on there. So the radio is working, as you can hear. AC also works. Wipers also work. Take a look at the dash. Also in good shape. Oh, one other thing I want to show you. Headlights working order. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. A little rumble coming out of that 350. All right, let me pause this a second. Now here, let's show you those lights go down fine too. Whoops, sorry, wipers. There we go. Headlights go down fine. And let's pop this hood. Two-port injector, 5.7 liter. Nice and clean engine bay. Again, driven a few miles. 1990, but it doesn't show underneath here. Wow. Sounds good, looks good. What you'd expect. Pretty stock looking. Alright, tell you what, I want to put that top in, so you can see it with the windows up and everything else. Let's get that top in, and we'll wrap up this video here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top in. So first of all, you can see nice tight fit up in the front. And the other reason I wanted to show you this is, remember, tinted windows, both sides and the rear. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint. So that was one of the reasons. And then the last one is to show you how nicely this fits with the gaskets. Lots of times in the C4s, you know, these deteriorate, so I wanted to show you those. Up top, back here, nice seal, and they look like original ones too. Then also, right down here, you'll get where these are just completely deteriorated and gone. So I wanted to be able to give you a look at that. It does show a little bit of age on the bottom ones, but not bad at all. But there's an idea how that gasket window fits and the condition around that window. We're going to do the passenger side too, since I have the windows up and the top in. Again, this top gasket's the biggie that is pliable. It's not rotted away from age or sitting outside, same as that front one. And then this strip down the bottom, very nice shape on this side. So there you go. That should wrap up the video. 1990 C4 Corvette. Want to know more about it? Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Want to check out all those pics? Those are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And then remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.